Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Math Murli. Today we are going to discuss basics of polynomial and some basic questions which are very important. See, if the degree based on the degree of the polynomial, how polynomials are classified, what are their names, what is their general form, and how many zeros it will be having, and graphs and all this and all we will discuss. Clear? Clear or not? If the degree of the polynomial is 0, then it is called constant polynomial. Then it is called constant polynomial. General form is f of x is equal to k. K is any constant. F of x is equal to k. K is any constant. There won't be any zeros for this, and the graph also won't be there. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, it is called linear. It is called linear polynomial, and the general form is f of x is equal to ax plus b. General form is f of x is equal to ax plus b. Number of zeros is 1 0 will be there, and the graph will be always a straight line. And the graph will be always a straight line. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. Then it is called quadratic polynomial, and the general form is f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Number of zeros. Number of zeros means at most, maximum number of zeros. At most 2 zeros. Maximum number of zeros you have to take here, and it is parabola shape. It is parabola shape. The degree of the polynomial is 3. It is cubic, and f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. At most 3 zeros you will be having. Little like n shape it will be. Little like n shape it will be. If it is 4, you will be having. If it is 4, the name itself you remember it is biquadratic, and another one term will be added, and number of zeros will be 4. Okay, like that it will go. This is regarding basics. Constant polynomial, linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, this and all. And after that see how to find zeros. How to find zeros. For linear polynomial, we can find zeros very easily. I am talking about linear polynomial. F of x is given as ax plus b. General form I am writing. Finding zeros means finding x value. Finding zeros means finding x value. So make ax plus b is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus b by a. In this case, you will be getting x value directly. After that, for quadratic polynomial, you will be getting some relation. You will be getting some relation between zeros and the coefficients. By solving that, you will be getting what are the values for the zeros. For quadratic polynomial, general form is f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, let alpha comma beta be the zeros. I am assuming alpha comma beta be the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. Then see what you will get. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Product of the zeros alpha beta is equal to c by a. This you will be getting. This is relation between zeros and coefficients. This also you have to remember. For cubic polynomial, f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Let alpha comma beta comma gamma be the zeros. Let alpha comma beta comma gamma be the zeros. Now see, sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Sum of the zeros taken two at a time, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. And next, alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. This and all you have to remember carefully. This and all you have to remember carefully. Linear, quadratic, cubic. Mostly you will be having everything related to quadratic. All questions mostly will be having everything related to quadratic only. Is it clear? If and all any doubt is there, you please pause the video and check wherever you find doubts and all. Let us solve one or two simple questions. Check whether minus 1 comma 1 or the zeros of f of x is equal to x square minus 1. Check whether minus 1 comma 1 or the zeros of f of x is equal to x square minus 1. Solution. How to find? Tell me. Given f of x is equal to x square minus 1. They are asking to check minus 1 are the zeros. If minus 1 is 0 means f of minus 1 is equal to 0. Then see what you will get. Find f of minus 1. First you find f of minus 1, that is equal to, next you find f of 1, that is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square minus 1. This is 1 minus 1, 0. This is also 1 minus 1, that is 0. F of minus 1 is equal to 0. F of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 1 comma 1 are the zeros of f of x, or minus 1 comma 1 are the zeros of f of x. Am I clear or not? Am I clear? These kind of problems are very important. See, one thing I have to tell you, zeros will be there and zero polynomial also will be there. Zeros of the polynomial is different and zero polynomial is different. For zero polynomial, all the coefficients will be 0. For zero polynomial, all the coefficients will be 0. And the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. And the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. These two you keep in mind. These two you keep in mind. Another simple problem, this is very good model. Another simple problem which is again good model, we will see. Find P, comma, 2 is a zero of f of x is equal to x square minus px plus 4. 2 is a zero of f of x is equal to x square minus px plus 4. Solution. How to find? This kind of model is also very important. 2 is a zero he told. So given f of x is equal to x square minus px plus 4, and also given f of 2 is equal to 0. Why it is given means 2 is a 0 he told. That is the reason f of 2 is equal to 0. So in place of x you keep 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 square minus p into 2 plus 4. So 0 is equal to 4 minus 2p plus 4. So 0 is equal to 8 minus 2p. 2p is equal to 8 implies p is equal to 4. Implies p is equal to 4. Am I clear regarding this? Am I clear regarding this? Simple problems but very important models, these two. You please go through the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel Math Murali. Thank you everyone.